The Two Oceans 870 Power Catamaran is a statement in refined capability. The 87-foot custom vessel is designed to explore the world with ease. Engineered for extended cruising, with a generous fuel capacity, it delivers remarkable stability and efficiency offshore. Across 4 thoughtfully designed levels, the yacht reveals a balance of openness and privacy, a seamless blend of social spaces and private retreat. Designed by the Toit Yacht Design and built by Two Oceans Marine Manufacturing, this yacht is functional luxury. Let's explore. On the upper deck, the owner's suite is a private, spacious, elevated haven with expansive ocean views and direct access to a private aft cockpit. It features a walk-in wardrobe, a dedicated coffee station, and a TV that rises effortlessly at the touch of a button, while the head consists of a deep soaking bathtub, large separate shower, and a his and hers basin. Guest accommodation is arranged across both hulls, with 4 ensuite staterooms offering comfort and privacy. Each cabin benefits from abundant natural light and is appointed with a discreet pop-up TV, generous heads, and spacious shower areas. The layout ensures a natural separation between guests and crew, allowing for smooth operation without intrusion. The saloon and galley form the central living space on board. Open, expansive, and filled with natural light, this area is designed for relaxed living as well as effortless entertaining. Wide sliding doors create a seamless transition between interior and exterior spaces, reinforcing the connection to the surrounding environment. It is a space that adapts with ease, from quiet moments to social gatherings. Life on board extends well beyond the interior. Aft, the tender is securely housed and managed via hydraulic crane and davit system, ensuring ease of deployment and retrieval. Forward, the expansive foredeck transforms it into an aquatic playground, accommodating jet skis and additional water toys. This is a seamless blend of luxury, versatility, and true adventure. The aft deck is designed as a natural extension of the main living space. Sheltered and spacious, it provides an ideal setting for dining, socializing, or simply unwinding in comfort. The flybridge offers an elevated perspective of life on board. Designed for long days at sea, it features generous lounging areas, a bar, and uninterrupted panoramic views. The Two Oceans 870 Power Catamaran, a refined balance of performance, space, and considered design, created for those who value both the journey and the destination.